Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the app permissions on an Android device. So you have an Android device that you use, and in that device you have a lot of apps installed, and now you want to change some of the app settings but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change app permissions on an Android device in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change the app permissions on Android device is open your phone settings. Once you go into your phone settings, what you want to do is locate and settings labeled as apps and notification and open that settings. Once you open the apps and notification settings, what you want to do here is go into the advanced settings option. Then here you'll see an option labeled as permission manager. So tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll land on an interface like this, and here are all the app permissions that are required in order for apps to work in an Android device, such as body sensor, calendar, call log, camera, contact, location, microphone, and etc. So here what you can do is select any of these options you want to change. Then what you can do is, suppose I want to change the location settings. Once I go into location settings, here you'll see all the apps that are allowed all the time. Then here are all the apps that are allowed only when in use, and when I scroll down, here is the list of all the denied apps. Now you can change anything. Like if I go into Facebook and I want to allow the permission, I'll simply tap and allow all the time. Once I do that, I'll successfully change the app permission. So you can do the same. So those were the simple steps in order to change app permissions on Android device in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.